Welcome back to Tuesday Talks with Ted and Betty.
I was going to say, one of the things, Ted, that we've been asked about is foil balloons, because back when we started, there were no foil balloons in the balloon business, in the balloon industry. But we got into that business in 1983.
That's correct.
What is a foil balloon? What constitutes a foil balloon?
Well, basically, the foil balloon is a layering of different materials. Think of it as a sandwich. And the meat of the sandwich is either nylon film or polyester film. And that provides the strength of the balloon. The top layer of bread is vapor deposited aluminum. And what that aluminum does, it provides the barrier so that helium doesn't escape through the film and gives us a very nice shiny finish. The bottom piece of bread is polyethylene, and that's what gives us the ability to glue two of these sheets together to make a balloon. So what happens in the process of making the actual balloon is we're taking two of these sandwiches and putting the polyethylene together with the polyethylene, and then when we apply heat to the perimeter of the shape of the balloon, we end up melting the polyethylene and forming the seal to be sure that we have a continuous layer and that can be inserted with air or a gas like helium to provide the final shape.
You know, I've seen some foil balloons that look like their seams are big, and some I've seen with almost no seams.
Well, I think again that's a very important part of the process, is that when we melt that polyethylene to provide the seal, you can do that by providing a broad band, as you see in a lot of balloons, or we have developed a process that we call seamless, where there is no seam, but we still have the very same strength. So if you see a lot of the microfoil shapes and the microfoil numbers, as well as all the North Star letters and numbers, they're all seamless. And what that does is it makes for a nice smooth look to the shape rather than having this fin of seal kind of standing out. And that's what makes a microfoil and a North Star balloon very, very special and very, very good looking.
That's great. Well, I think that's enough for today, and we'll just see you again on Tuesday.
Thanks for listening.
See you. Bye-bye.